Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Stocks to Play channel where I'm giving you the hottest penny plays daily. So, we're going to dive right on into it. This is not going to be a long video today. I got things to do, and my computer dying, my phone dying, everything dying except me. I ain't dying yet. So, let's keep it rolling. So, I'm going to start off with our paid WhatsApp group. If you're interested in joining, there's going to be a link in the description. You can hit that. It used to be $25 a month for the first 20 people that signed up. Today we actually got our 20th person. This is a brand new group, so now it's $35 a month. The first 20 people also really received free one-on-one guidance for life as long as they're subscribed. The next 20 people will be 35 bucks a month, and then after that the prices will go up. So I'm just gonna dive into the group, see how things went today. We have one guy here, Kenny. Thanks for your alert, man. I caught SQZZ on the dip at 68, 4,000 shares, sold 3,000 shares at 78, made 300 bucks quick, still holds in 1,000. So I had mentioned SQZ last night. News had came out on it. It was running in the after hours. I said it's a hot play to watch out for in the morning. He was paying attention. I also did mention it again this morning on the dip, and he managed to get in and get out, and he kept 1,000 shares. I'm not sure what happened with them yet, but it's still a play going ahead, right? Keeping it moving here. What else we got? One second. So I was just talking, telling him, good job. He's like, yeah, man, I learned my lesson. Take profits and let the house money ride. Definitely. Like, that's what I teach here. Risk management, money management. Guys, don't get greedy. You don't ever feel bad for taking profits too soon. You will get shitted on. Real shit. So let's keep it moving here. See what else is popping in the group. We had another guy here. This is Ron. He actually found this play on his own, so I'm not going to take credit for this. No way, no how. But the guys in the group, it's getting very active. We did start off slow. We just started this group here, but Ron's been doing very well. He's really, I love his enthusiasm. He's doing very well. He's finding plays on his own, and that's what the group does. You know, we make sure that you're building your confidence, and you could go out there and take on trades on your own without even having to get alerts from us. So it's really good. I like that. Keeping it moving. I love all the loyalty you're showing your initial members. Rising conference may be difficult for me. I was trying to do conferences with everyone on Sunday nights to create watch lists and do DD together and get everyone involved. They were part of the first 20 people, so like I just put out like a little bit of something for the first 20 people that gave me a chance out here. So the loyalty is appreciated both ways, you know. Keeping it moving here. Lots of stuff going on. Yesterday I was just giving people a mention about TRKA. For any of you guys who are thinking about getting back in TRKA, we hit it from 25 cents. I was just mentioning it's a very risky play. Company lost a lot of trust with shareholders when they diluted shares behind shareholders' backs, that I would not be looking to get into it normally. I wouldn't, because why am I going to double dip on something I definitely killed, and it got the setup got totally ruined. So keeping it moving here. HYMC. So HYMC actually has been doing pretty well today. I'm gonna pull it up after, but Ron was asking, what about gold alternative plays due to this whole like bank crisis thing and things starting to settle or whatever? And I've been recommending, like, hey, there's crypto mining stocks, there's gold mining stocks, and this is one that we had on our radar for quite some time now, and it's been picking up. I believe it closed at like 41 cents today. I've been mentioning this in the group for almost a week now, so it's great. Keeping it moving here. We also had I don't even know what's going on here, but yeah. Oh, Christina over here, she's been man, also in our group, finding their own trades, just like really getting confident with their plays. They don't need me to walk them through everything all the time, and I'm here for that guidance, definitely. But I love it when they can take charge and start making their own plays. Like, that's what we're here for, you know. We teach, and you can take what you learn and really implement it into your everyday trading for life, right? Keeping it moving here. Crazy play, bro. Thanks for the step-by-step. This was on HUBC. I called HUBC down at $1.30. So we had a couple guys actually hit this. We had Hente hit it, Z hit it. I didn't even play it. I'm in it now. Definitely liking HUBC. I'm gonna break that down. A lot of people I don't know, man. People get scared and start to panic. But anyway, moving on. Well, before we even get into that, see, HUBC is sitting 197 in the after hours. I told these guys in the French Montana voice, don't panic. You know what I'm saying? Like straight up, like yo, HUBC, the daily range where it moves, it fluctuates a lot, like a lot. Like so, guys, don't get too like scared when things start to drop. I'm not scared at all. I bought in at this at like over $2.30 something cents. Seen it drop down to 170 something. Double down on my position and average down. You need to know when to cut your losses or when to average down. Like that's what makes a good trader. Like I could have taken my L there of 400 and something US dollars, but I averaged down and now it's looking great. Like I probably broke even on the play right now, 197, yeah, and I'm holding it. Like, and I have way more shares than I anticipated getting. But I can even sell off now that I've broken even and just keep back that small position. Money management, risk management, that's everything. So HUBC, one of my favorite plays at the moment. A lot of things are developing. HUBC in the sector that is in cybersecurity. This is like one of the cheapest stock trading in that sector, right? We also have an event on March 28th coming up, so there's something to look forward to with that. I just want to explain something here with HUBC before we get into too much other things here. This is not going to be a long video, so I'm going to break it down quickly, keep it moving. I will drop a watch list on the weekend again, but this is, and in my group, they get plays daily. If you guys are interested, just hit the link or drop your email below. HUBC. This chart looks great. I mean, we don't have a lot of data to go off of. It's only been on the market 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, like 18 days. So there's not much data to go off of, but it looks really good. Cup and handle kind of formation forming over here. I'm not tripping off of this, man. Like if it goes down, it goes down a little bit. Don't expect things to go straight up. This thing had an immaculate run from the 120 range, 128, all the way up to 319. What do you guys want? Like corrective retracement, a little pullback. It's normal. It's healthy. It's common. Like just chill, relax. Like let it play out. Don't be rushing these plays. You gotta let them play out. I mean, if you can only risk so much, yeah, make sure you manage your money. But if you do your due diligence and you get good entries, it allows you a little bit more time to let your plays play out. Okay, this company's got a contract with like the Pentagon. They have like $500 million in other contracts. They got government contracts. Like, I will take my chances with HUBC. And we know this thing, when it starts to move, it can move very fast in both directions. So that's a good thing. It's a bad thing. Take it how you want to take it. But this play is not done, guys. You know what I really hate? Yo, there's so many people on YouTube who's like promoting the crap out of this, talking HUBC, and then one day, 2 days, it starts taking a dip, and everyone's like, whoa, I warned everybody, this and that. Man, forget that. Like, I'm not gonna be here saying that. Like, yo, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. So be it. I'm managing my risk, but HUBC is not done. It's not done. Like, you gotta let things play out. Give it a little bit of time. There was a meeting today with the White House talking about cybersecurity and things like that. It is a very needed, like, it's a very much needed thing. Like the companies that are doing this, like they are very valuable. Like it's a very valuable company. They like cybersecurity. If you don't look, like it's everywhere. It's everywhere around us. The banks need it. A lot of businesses need it. Like, you got to protect information. Like, things really happen. So I like the sector, considering it's only been on the market under 20 days. Great price action, little pullback. Plus we have the $10 price target, so to speak, there. Hey, I really do think it could be running up, but I'm gonna take this in steps. I just want to see little gains. Like, there's no reason you got to rush your play. So HUBC right now, it's at 197 in the after hours. I like that. It would have been nice to close over $2 today. Unfortunately, it didn't go that way, and that's okay. That's okay. We seen this thing. It did fall below the trend line earlier today. The trend line was something like it was something like this earlier. Yeah, something like that, and then it It was something like that earlier, like automated with TradingView, and it did break below it, but it in the past it had bounced off of it 1, 2, 3 times. So like it's not. It's just because it fell underneath for a momentarily. It's not over, and I didn't think it was over. And I was telling the guys in my group chat personally, just relax. It's okay. Give it some time. A lot of things are developing. We have the conference coming up. Like we're gonna let HUBC play out. The chart looks great. Manage your risk. You'll be okay. I promise. You know, like, and this is not financial advice. Once again, take it with a grain of salt. But I'm just telling you guys how I'm playing it and how am I trading it. And honestly, personally, I have over 1,000 and something shares in this. So I'm bullish. I'm with it. Manage my risk. I mean, a great thing about trading and your portfolio is you pick up plays in different sectors, so like their losses balance out and things like that, and that can allow you to actually risk more or put your stop loss a little lower on certain plays. Like you manage your money, right? But moving on here, SQZ, this was the play that Kenny hit today that I called out last night to watch out for. It did very well, held up. It did good, man. Like there's no complaints about it. Did I play it? I didn't play it, but just because I'm not playing it doesn't mean I can't call it for the members in the group. Good job, guys. Really, really good job. And for the guys in the group, when you're making gains, just like if you can, just post your gains in there so that I can use it to show people that, hey, we in front with it. Moving on here, we got a bankruptcy play, NCMI. I actually got in on this morning at I think it was 12 cents, and then I got out at about 16 something. Took a little position, got out. No problem with taking 30% gains. Well, why not, right? Had a big pullback. Oh, big drop towards the end of the day there. This is a bankruptcy play. So with these bankruptcy plays, you guys already know if you have a stop loss, you're probably gonna get stopped out. So just put what you're willing to lose. Personally, I put what I was willing to lose, fortunately made 30% on it, so I will probably be getting back on this tomorrow, because we know these bankruptcy plays, like they like to pop before they get out of here, right? Moving on, we have another bankruptcy play, BOXD. Okay, BOXD, man, this thing was ripping today. Like, it was ripping. And I actually took a position in this too, very small position. I play all the bankruptcy plays. You know why? Because they like me. I hit PRTY. What was the other one? LYLT, LHDX. That one I kind of messed up on. Like I sold off way too early. Actually, I didn't even sell off. I got stopped out. That's why I learned my lesson and not put what I'm willing to lose. No stop loss on these bankruptcy plays, you know. But BOXD, they're looking for a buyout possibly. Any PR, good PR, could send this thing roofing. So this is on high watch. It's a high volume play, very volatile. As you can see, the day's range was from 22 cents all the way up to 40 cents. 20 cents all the way up to 40 cents. Could have doubled your money today. So this is another play that we're in, straight gambling on these bankruptcy plays. Moving on, ASPU, another bankruptcy play. So I've actually played this one a couple times. I hit it here before for a nice gain, bought back, and now I'm just holding it. I'm gonna hold it closer to the end date. It gets delisted on March 31st, and nothing seems to change. I'm holding it. Moving on, we got BBBY, Bed Bath & Beyond. So, guys, if you've been following anything and you're not living in a box, you will see GME exploded the other day with a 50% gap up. It's actually not doing bad, okay? Fortunately, I actually have, I manage another person's account right now, and we have this from 10 bucks, 10.45 or so. It kept a couple shares from years ago, and so it's almost doubled up, 50%, right? Honestly, high risk play, looking for the squeeze. We're just gonna hang on to it, keep it going. Got a couple bands in there. Let's see how it goes. But GME, they were very profitable. It seems that's what made this pop up. So in my opinion, companies making money, still on the stock market, didn't get delisted, all that good stuff. There is a lot of potential here. It has not seen these prices in quite some time. Like, it has not seen these prices in quite some time, you know. yeah, in the past year, this is the highest that it's running at. So still in it, playing it out, high risk, high reward, right? There was one other play that I wanted to check. HMYC. I just wanted to see what it finished at today because we did HYMC. That was the gold play that people are asking me about. What else is there when the banks aren't doing too well? HYMC is that play that I've been calling. 41 cents. It ran 13% today. No problem. We will take it. Guys, I always put things in perspective. If you go to the bank with 100 grand or $1 million, they're not going to give you 10% interest annually. If you can get 10% in a day on a play, you take that and you keep it moving, you know? Like you really and truly do. If you want to be a profitable trader, you have to have discipline and trade with no emotions and not be a greedy guy. You know, if you need some help with that, just sign up for our WhatsApp group. Drop an email or click the link below. It sends you straight to PayPal, and then you will receive an email with the link to join up. The next 20 people will be $35 a month. Unfortunately, our last position got filled today for the $25 a month. So our next 20 people will be $35 a month, and after that, it will be going up. But anyway, guys, tomorrow I'm very bullish for HUBC and these bankruptcy plays. I'm feeling a little lucky right now, right? So the SPY, let's just speak about the SPY for a little bit. So we want this thing to get back over 400 bucks. It really tried this morning. Came so close, but it just didn't make it. When this thing goes back over 400, man, we'll see a little bit of a train reaction going on with these penny stocks all in all. And like, yeah, I'm gonna keep it moving right now. That's all I really got to say right now. I just wanted to touch up on some of the plays we called out and show people really making some money, and then just give people some confidence back in HUBC, because I'm hating the YouTubers that keep on switching sides. Like, you guys are like, whatever you say, stick with it, man. Just because you see a red day and this day, like, be real to the people. Like, you can't keep switching sides like that. I don't like that. I'm not with that. I'm going to tell it how it is. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's okay. I've been right so many times. I could be wrong a couple times. But HUBC, I'm not going to be wrong, hopefully. This is not financial advice. But all in all, I'm managing my risk. I know what I'm prepared to lose on it. Average down on it. Broke back even when I was down 400. You got to know what to do out here, right? So if you need some help, hey, hit us in our WhatsApp group. So all the guys in my group right now, you guys are doing a great job. I really like it. And you guys are talking a lot more. I really like it. It keeps me very motivated. So shout out to you guys. Anyway, take care, guys. Like, comment, subscribe. Adios.